Our last mission wasn't a success, but that's only made High Command more eager to slow these convoys down until we can solve this mystery. High Command has selected a more traditional target, a convoy of freighters hauling heavy material. Using your Y-Wing starfighter, Red Squadron will drop in and destroy the convoy. Don't worry about the cruisers or any of the convoy escorts. Just hit the convoy and hit it hard. While you hit the targets, Gold Squadron will fly cover in their X-Wings.
This is Red Leader, ready to jump. This is Gold Leader, all ships accounted for.
Head to the jump point, and good hunting.
Red Squadron, reinforce your shields and let's hit these transports one at a time. Lock onto that first transport and fire torpedoes. Gold Squadron, accelerate to attack speed. Let's keep these Star Wings off our balls. Transport 1 is down. Straight the transport with lasers if you're out of torpedoes.
Transport 3 is down.
Move on to the next one. That should leave a dent in the schedule. This is Gold Leader. We still have Star Wings active. Okay, Red Squadron. Let's help Gold Squadron clear out those Star Wings. Mission success. We have a clear run to the jump point. Let's take it, Red Squadron. Our jump point. Yeah, I see it. Recalculating the jump point. Need to go around the Intrepid. And watch out for those TIE fighters.
Imperial security something to think about. We're getting reports that all further convoys are being diverted. This level of speed and adaptability is disconcerting. But we'll soon pick up the trace again. In the meantime, some things come up.